Welcome to PesuSWAP, the Toupesu functionality which allows you to change your currencies. Follow these steps. After downloading the app, open it and you will get to this screen. Please select PesuSWAP from the available features. On this screen, please click Swap. When you click on Swap, this screen will appear. Choose the currency you have and enter the amount you have, as well as the currency you want. Once you enter the currency and amount, the conversion takes place automatically in the chosen currency, including applicable fees. Click Send Request to submit your request. Your request is submitted and will be taken into account by other members of the community. PesuSWAP is flexible, transparent, fast, secure and affordable.